I want to talk about creativity and the subconscious. In the creative process, there's a dance between the conscious and the subconscious mind. In this video, I will discuss how to understand and take advantage of this dynamic and the distinct roles that both the conscious and the subconscious play in bringing ideas to life. Stick around to the end of the video where I'll have some recommended reading on this subject. How does the dance between the conscious and the subconscious mind work in the creative process? Typically, the conscious mind sets the direction and then the subconscious mind provides the solutions. The subconscious may spark an idea while the conscious mind will refine it. Many of us are more acquainted with the role of the conscious mind, but the subconscious can remain more elusive. So what is the role of the subconscious mind? There's a fascinating truth about this. The subconscious mind operates beyond the rules and limitations of the conscious mind. Now, this is great for creativity. The subconscious is a vast reservoir of creative energy, often most active in our dreams while we are asleep. Our conscious mind plants the seeds while our subconscious nurtures them until they bloom. Have you ever had a moment of inspiration while showering, driving, walking? That's your subconscious at work, sending you ideas. Now, how do you partner with the subconscious? Working with the subconscious requires trust and patience. In the process of acting, for example, after spending time working on the character and reading the script and writing things in your journal, the subconscious mind takes over and can forge deeper connections. Some actors even report dreaming in character. That's not a scary thing, even though it might feel that way. It's actually an indication that they are truly becoming immersed in the role. Similarly, some musicians and writers talk about the phenomenon of experiencing their work as if it's writing itself, as if it's coming from another realm. Renowned filmmaker Federico Fellini talks about his process in a similar way. He explained that while his conscious mind provided oxygen for his ideas to grow, when it comes to actually shooting the film, the subconscious takes over. And he spoke about how it felt like that the film was actually directing him. In order to partner with the subconscious mind, we have to develop a relationship with it. Here are a few ideas. 1. Place a journal near your bed. The subconscious is hard at work while we're asleep. Many times there could be an avalanche of ideas waiting for us as soon as we wake up, but if we don't write them down almost immediately, the ideas may evaporate within seconds. Take walks. Walking is a great way to commune with the subconscious. Al Pacino talked about how he walked from uptown all the way to downtown Manhattan and back again, day after day after day, while he was preparing to shoot The Godfather. Find a meditative spot, listen to music, and open up your journal. Letting your mind wander in an inspiring and calming environment can unlock the subconscious mind in ways that you never expected. Now here's my book recommendation. So this is by the incredible filmmaker David Lynch, and it's called Catching the Big Fish. He talks about ideas in the creative process as fish. There are little fish, there are big fish. The big fish are the big ideas, and they might be deeper in the ocean. But if you go fishing for them, they'll come to you, and then he talks about how to nurture the ideas and let them grow. And he really is an artist that I feel has a beautiful relationship with his subconscious mind. So good luck on nurturing your relationship with your subconscious mind. And I would love to hear about your own personal experiences in your creative journey with things that you believe may have come from your subconscious mind. Feel free to share them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more videos like this one. Go to the description below for links to our website as well as our free weekly newsletter. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.